Hello guys, my name is Amit Kumar and we are on Kali Linux. I have seen many people struggling to know that how to enable disable monitor mode, and many people struggle also to find out that how to get the internet access after disabling the monitor mode. So this video is all about that. We are on Kali Linux. First of all, we need to know that how to enable the monitor mode. Okay. So first of all, we need to see the status. You can see the status of your wireless adapter. This is the name of wireless adapter and the type is managed. And you can use IW config as well to know the status. A mode is managed and this is the wireless adapter name. Okay. So these two command can be used to know the status. And first of all, we need to make down our wireless adapter. So for that, we will use sudo if config wlan 0 down. Okay, so wlan 0 is the name of the wireless adapter as you see in here. Okay, so we'll make it down. Now there will be no internet access. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is disconnected from the card. If you go over here and search, nothing is there. Okay, now we will use airmon-ng to check the process which hinder our monitor mode process. So it will kill the WPA supplicant. Okay. Now go over here and type airmon-ng and you need to write down start WLAN 0. So WLAN 0 is wireless adapter name, and in your case it can be different as well. As you can see, it is in the monitor mode now and the name is changed to WLAN 0 mode. Okay, so we'll see the status again. As you can see that the type is monitor and the name is WLAN 0, and if you use IW config, you will see you will see that the mode is monitor mode and the name is changed to WLAN 0 monitor, and you can't access the internet in the monitor mode. Okay, if you need to disable it, the command is simple. Just write here stop and you will need to add the mon for the monitor mode to end your wireless adapter name. So if you hit this and the mode is in, let me show you, the mode is managed. Now you can use IW config to know that the mode is managed, not the monitor mode. But if you go to your browser and access the internet services, it is not coming back. Many people I have seen restart computer to get the access. Let me tell you that you need to restart the network services for that. So you will write sudo service network manager restart. Let me show you. This command will restart all your network services and you will get the internet access as soon as it will restart the services. As you can see here, the Wi-Fi is connected to my Wi-Fi wireless card, and as you can see, we can get the internet access. So this is all about this video, and if you find this helpful, please do like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.